What is up, my riders? So everyone suggested they wanted to start seeing vlogs and stuff, so I guess that's what we're gonna do today. So I guess my dad's birthday, new drink from Dunkin', which has cold foam on it. I don't know what's in the cold foam. I just had a little bit of a taste, but it makes it taste like ice cream. Alright guys, I'm coming back out just to get a little bit of clips in my car before we go back, because everyone asks for clips in my car all the time. I feel like that's the main focus why people come to the channel. Also, if you guys couldn't tell, the beard's getting long. I love it. Alright guys, this is my normal spot where I usually go. Every time I get back into this car, I need to relearn how to properly control the torque steer, because that comes on crazy fast. Let me tell you what. Do a third gear right here. It's literally so freaking beautiful out. 68 degrees. It better stay this way. Spring is right around the corner, it feels like, and that is the best thing for me. I just love the warm weather. It gets me so motivated, gets me out of the house, it makes me feel more happy. I am super excited for this to start. Alright peeps, I'm gonna try to get one more back road clip before I go home. That always sits in there, so I had to slow down. I don't know why I forgot that. Actually, a pretty nice day in PA. It's 47, and every single person is going to be out. Alright guys, we're going to get exhaust clips of my car on this back road. Get basically what I missed yesterday, because I was trying to do like a full-on acceleration clip and I missed it with timer. So my cousin's gonna get some footage for you guys that love the GLI. I haven't done a launch yet with him, and this is like probably the scariest that it gets, because launching is pretty fun. All right. That's fucking insane. Holy. All right, guys, I'm gonna pick this vlog up so randomly, but me and my cousin went out. Then I completely forgot to record. A couple days went by, so we're going to finish the vlog off today. It's hard to get out every single day and do car stuff, especially when there's only so much I can do with the GLI, and I'm struggling to come up with new content all the time. So I love you guys. We should be happy, stress less. I'll see you guys in the next one. As always,